prepare the patient for the supine ABI, TBI, and segmental studies, begin by having the patient remove their shoes and socks and rest in a supine position for about 5 minutes prior to taking pressure measurements. While the patient is resting, use this time to explain the exam. It is important to select the proper size pressure cuff. The proper cuff width is 40% of the patient's limb circumference. For limbs with a circumference less than 28 centimeters or 11 inches, use the 10 centimeter cuff. For larger limbs, use the 12 centimeter cuff. Thigh cuffs are available in 17 and 22 centimeter sizes. Avoid rolling sleeves or pant cuffs in a manner that could obstruct blood flow. Place the cuff as shown here for the brachial pressure, or here just above the medial malleolus for the ankle pressure. It is best to have the bladder hose up to prevent obstruction during the exam. The cuff should be placed 1 to 2 inches proximal to the arterial site. Avoid placing the ankle cuff too high, which could result in false and inaccurately high pressure readings. The most efficient way to conduct exams using the Vista ABS is to wrap all limbs prior to taking any pressures. This enables you to move quickly from site to site and minimize the elapsed time between pressure measurements. Once you have applied the cuffs, you are ready to obtain pressures and waveforms.